welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie, and if you have never been here, well, this is a channel for the mature woman that has a love for all things beauty, fashion, skincare. We just talk about it all over here. So in today's video, I am pairing up with my good friend Jess, and if you've been on my channel, then you know her. She has her channel. It's just simply titled her name, Jess. She was like, you know, Jeannie, let's do a giveaway and lift everybody's spirits up. And I was like, Jess, I don't even know if anyone wants a giveaway right now under all of these conditions. And she was like, well, no one in my house has coronavirus. And I'm like, well, no one in my house does either. And she's like, well, I'm going to do one. So here I am. I'm up here with my BFF, and we do something called Dynamic Duo giveaways, and I kind of tagged us as the Dynamic Duo because my son loves Batman, and he has a friend of his. He's a preacher actually, and he has always team taught preaching, and so he kind of tagged him and his co-preacher as the Dynamic Duo, and so I sort of stole that from him. As mine and Jess's sort of labeled us as the Dynamic Duo, because we do a lot of giveaways where she'll give away one thing. Well, it'll be the same thing on her channel as I give away on my channel, and so it'll be what we call a Dynamic Duo giveaway because you have two chances to win. So we're going to be keeping in that theme today with this video. We're going to be doing a get ready with me. Actually, we're going to be testing out something that she and I got during, I think this was in BOXY pop-up, and if you've seen my recent video, you know that I canceled my subscription box services, but this was one of the things in BOXY pop-up that I have wanted for a long time. This palette actually has had quite a bit of mixed reviews. There's some people that actually I believe it was Jenna Freeze that I saw that really likes this palette. Then there's some content creators that really didn't like this palette. So, you know, it's kind of a mixture out there. But I love the packaging on this palette. It looks kind of like a necklace case. It kind of reminds you of their highlighters that we got. But whenever you open it, it opens up like this, and it's just really pretty to me. There's a good variety of kind of cool tone. There's a little bit of warmth in this row right here, but this row is really a very cool tone mocha-ish color scheme to me. And then you've got your pinky mauves, and then you've got some warmth right here with some gold tones and then some blues. It's really a pretty palette. Jess picked up two and I picked up two. We're gonna do a get ready with me and see how the palette performs, and then I have a brand new one in this box that I will offer up as a giveaway. And I completely understand if you don't want to sign up for this. I don't know how this video is going to go over. I really wasn't going to be doing any giveaways, but just really wanted to do this. And I love doing Dynamic Duo giveaways with her. I'm going to be using mainly this row here that is in the pink row, and I'm just in my pajamas. I have a new set of pajamas that I have bought before all of this coronavirus had hit, and I have been wearing them. I've been working from home, so that's what you see me wearing today, and I'm loving them. They are so wonderful. They're from Ann Taylor, my favorite store, and I'm just in love. I'm just going to go in. I was going to try and follow this look on this piece of paper that it comes with, but I'm going to improvise because they you know, it's telling me to use a glittery shade. So I'm going to actually go in, and instead of that one, I'm going to use Fancy That. It was telling me to go in with Princess Cut, but I'm going to go into Fancy That, which is a matte shade. And I'm just going to go in with my Wayne Goss 16. I love this brush because it's a pretty big brush and I have a lot of real estate up here. So I'm just going to go in and just tap that into the crease. I really like Too Faced shadows. In the tin packaging, they're usually really good, and I think that probably this palette's going to perform the same. Maybe the glitters you might need a glitter glue with, but wow, this is a beautiful color, and this is the one called Fancy That. I have already put on my base and my foundation, and I am wearing one of the Cover Effects. I am Mojave Mauve blush, which is going to be on deal the last day, I believe, of the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. It's a beautiful blush, and I topped it off with the Nabla highlight. I would really be okay with just using this shade right here pretty much as a one and done with just a pop of shimmer. I'll show you a daytime look and then we'll transition into night. This is such a pretty tonal value of a color. And it's just blending so easy. Too Faced really does, no matter what you feel about the brand, their shadows are really good. I'm going to grab another Wayne Goss 16. This is just a clean one. And I'm just going to go in with a clean brush and just buff. I primed my lids with the Soft Ochre Paint Pot for just a nice, pretty much, you know, I'm going to go to work, one and done. You can just take and go into this shade called Princess Cut, and I'll show you these. So the shade that I used all over was this one right here, and that is called Fancy That. And now I'm just going into this one right here, and that's called Princess Cut, and just popping a little bit of this right in the center of the lid. Just to give some light to the lid. Just to kind of open the lid up a little bit. And then you can run just underneath the lash line with a little bit of the Fancy That and connect the two. And just for a nice look at the office, you can be done with just this. And that's a really quick and easy just look for the office. And if you wanted to go out later for drinks or dinner, then you can zhuzh it up with something bolder by going into Oh That's Rich. And I'm going to use a MAC 221 Shorty. Just having to be really gentle because I have very crepey skin. on my eyelids. As long as you don't press hard, then you'll be okay if you have crepey skin. Just don't press hard and pull back on the brush. I always have a microfiber cloth sitting in front of me, so I'm always tapping my brush off on that, or I tap my brush off on the butt of my thumb before I go in on my eye, just so that I don't deposit straight from my brush. Let's get a little bit, just a little bit more glamour on the lid. Maybe this. Now I didn't use any glue, so I don't know how the fallout will be. I'm just testing. Okay, I am getting a little bit of fallout from the glitter. You can always go back over the top and just put some glitter glue over the top of it if you're going out. The more glittery shades, you're definitely going to want to use, and these are the ones that are in the jewel cut. So the gold here, this one, and this one. So that would be Diamond Live, Diamond Glitterati, Fluent in Diamonds, and Diamonds for Breakfast. So any of the ones that have the diamonds in there, you're probably going to want to use with a glitter glue. And the glitter glue that I always use is, let's see if I can show you that. I always use the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive. This is the one that I love. It's the best to me. So you can always go in even after you've applied some, and you can just take and dot that right over the top, and it should help keep that on. Keep it from flaking around. So that's what I do sometimes, is even if I haven't, applied it first before I put the eyeshadow on, I'll just apply it right over the top, and it will still work. So that's a trick you can use if you forgot or didn't know to apply the glitter adhesive first. Then just dab a little bit over the top and you should be okay. So that is a very pretty palette though. I really like the colors of it. I think it's just gorgeous. I'm finished with the eye look, except I do need to put on some mascara. I need to put on some eyeliner. I'll do that and I'll be right back. I've already got on the rest of my makeup. I have on my bronzer, I have on my blush, and I have on Pure Hollywood by ABH for my lippy. So I'm going to finish up my eyes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have my mascara on. I just used the Essence in the purple. This is the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara, and I've got to say, it's really good. And it's cost effective. So let me know what you think of the look. I'm really liking this one. I think the palette's really good. I'm really liking it. I think that the shades that I used are just absolutely gorgeous. It's really in my wheelhouse. I have got a lot of these colored palettes, more than I knew. I'll be showing you, I've got my palette separated into colors, really into nudes. Just, I was trying to do it rosy nudes, brown nudes, but it ended up being just 2 baskets of nudes, and not really separated that well. And then I separated into warm, so and brights, that kind of thing. So it sounds like I'm doing laundry. But anyway, I'll be showing you that. So let me know if what you think about the look, and if you would like to enter to win this palette on a Dynamic Duo giveaway. I will be selecting via a random comment picker, and the word that I will be using to filter with will be the word rich. So be sure that you include the word rich in your comment somewhere, and you will be entered to win. Now, let me do my disclosure really quick, that this giveaway is my giveaway. It has absolutely nothing to do with, in cahoots with, funded by in any way, no shape, form, or fashion with YouTube. I bought the palette myself. I'm running this giveaway. It is solely ran by me, and I am the only one responsible for this giveaway. So, what's the rules to the giveaway? You have to be 18 years or older. You have to have a U.S. shipping address for me to mail your winnings to you. You have to be a subscriber of mine. I do check that. So the giveaways are for my subscribers, so please be sure to have your notification set to where I can check it, and leave a comment. Rate the video, so give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, and be sure that you put the word rich somewhere in your comment so that the random comment picker can pick that up. And we are going to run this giveaway for 1 week. So let's see, we are going to be running this until next Wednesday. And let's see, when is that? I'll leave it in the comment section below. How about that? Because y'all know I can't keep up with anything. So I will be leaving that in the comment section below, but it will be 1 week from the air date of this video going live. So 1 week, and then I will announce the winner. Usually I put that, I don't usually do a whole video. I usually put a picture of the winner on my community tab. So if you're wondering who won, Jess usually does a video, and she'll usually premiere that. So you can hop over there. I'm usually over there, and I'll be saying it over there, or I will have it on my community tab. I don't usually do a video because you can never tell how my work day is going, and a lot of times I am working really late these days, just with the whole Citrix environment. So anyway, yeah, I look forward to hearing from you and seeing who all's interested. I'm really kind of wondering if anyone's going to be interested in a giveaway or not. I really don't know. So yeah, let me know in the comments, just by putting the word rich if you're interested in a giveaway. So yeah, I look forward to hearing from you. And like always, I love you to pieces. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel but you'd like to be, all you got to do is click that subscribe button. You know what to do. And I look so forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah. Smooches, everybody. Bye-bye for now.